Unable to initiate call, please try again in WhatsApp iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, or else try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data and also try restarting your Wi-Fi router if needed. Now, once done so, go back to the home screen and tap on the App Store available there. Then, in the search address bar, search for the WhatsApp. Then tap on the WhatsApp, and if you see the update option available there, simply update it to the latest version. Update often fix this kind of minor glitches on WhatsApp. Wait for a few seconds. Now, once the update is finished, all you have to do is go back to the home screen again and this time tap on the Settings app. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see Apps option available. Tap on it. Then again scroll down unless you see WhatsApp app and all you have to do is tap on it. Now inside WhatsApp, make sure your microphone and camera are enabled. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.